So, now that they've maybe tried to get across the point that to get rid of that negative exponent you have to do the reciprocal, they want you to understand that if there's not parentheses, that negative exponent only goes with the variable. This means 3 times m to the negative 2 power. And to get rid of that negative exponent, how would I write m to the negative 2 power? Using a positive exponent. In other words, what would be the reciprocal?
1m.
1 over m squared, right? So this would be 3 times 1 over m to the second power. Well, if I put that all together then, I just end up with 3 over m squared. So what they're going to tell you on Alex is, if my negative is on the top of the fraction, to make it positive, I'm going to move it to the bottom of the fraction. If it's on the bottom of the fraction, to make it positive, I'm going to move it to the top of the fraction, because I'm doing the reciprocal. So if my negative is on the top, I move it to the bottom. If it's on the bottom, I move it to the top. That's if it's an exponent. So here, I have 1 over negative 5z to the negative 4. This part right here, the z to the negative 4, is what I want to get rid of out of my expression, because I want to have no negative exponents. Since it's on the bottom, I'm going to put it up on top. So I would have 1z to the 4th over negative 5. Of course, I want to rewrite that in a better form than that. I don't really need the 1 in front of my z to the 4th, and the negative is going to be out in front of my fraction. So the better form for that answer would be negative z to the 4th over 5. So, number 15 then, I want to rewrite that expression without that negative z to the negative 2 power. So how would I rewrite that expression?
Four over z squared?
You forgot one little thing on that?
Negative 4.
It's a negative 4 over z squared. Again, they'll put the negative in front instead of on top, because if the top is negative, the whole fraction is negative. So this came down, went underneath my 4 because it was negative.